Well, it's quiet not compared to that, though.
Oh, you should see my Karcher.
Yeah, no, they're loud.
How's it going, everyone? Josh from TOC Supplies, and I have a special video for you today with a special guest. How's it going, Ivan?
Great, yourself, Josh?
I'm good. How are you?
Excellent. Brought a dirty car for you, sir.
Dirty cars are what people are looking for. They want to see it nice and clean. Go from dirty to clean.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So today I think we're going to be using Incredible Suds.
We are.
In a foam cannon.
Foam cannon, pressure washer, all that stuff you guys love.
Right. So Incredible Suds, great foam, great product. Your foam cannon, we already have water in it, but we need to add the soap.
Exactly.
Now, we have 1 liter of water, or 32 ounces for those that are counting. We need to put 1 ounce of Incredible Suds in. There we go. We have 1 ounce in there.
Perfect.
Now put the lid on and shake it up, because this is rather thick, so it doesn't just blend into the water easily.
Right. So we're just gonna screw this on.
Right. While you're doing that, I'm gonna add 1 capful to the bucket, because that's all you need.
Give it a little good stir, up, down, shake. So we're simply just mixing the solution in there with water.
Yep.
All
Off we
good.
go. Now, before you hook that up, I'm gonna put a bit of all clean on the wheels.
Let's do it.
Help it break down the dirt, the brake dust, things like that. And then when we foam it, everything will blend in and come right off.
I can't wait for that.
The all clean is at 15:1 dilution. More than strong enough for the exterior. Nice. But if you're going inside, you want to dilute this 1:1 or 30:1 if you're going from the gallon.
All right.
So off you go, sir.
All right, we're gonna start foaming. Take that tip off. We're gonna crank that all the way. Make sure it's level. Do you want to foam the whole vehicle, Ivan?
Go for it.
Let's do it.
There we have our beautiful foam in the bucket.
Nice thick suds, man.
Now, let's rinse off the car.
Let's do it.
the beading isn't spectacular at this point.
Right.
Because the car still needs a contact wash.
Yep.
But we've taken all that heavy grit off the car. So now instead of using a 2-bucket method, we're gonna use a 2-foam method.
2-foam method.
So we foamed it, we rinsed it. What's remaining in the foam cannon, we're gonna reapply it to the surface.
Okay.
And use that as extra lubrication for the contact wash.
That's perfect. It saves time.
Yeah.
Right? It saves time and it saves your back from hurting. Yeah.
Yeah, it saves you from carrying a second bucket around.
Exactly.
At this point, we're not looking for a super thick foam.
Yep.
All we're wanting is to have a little more on the surface there.
That's right. Like you said, lubrication, allow the wash mitt to glide along, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Awesome.
So Josh, while you get to experience the luxurious mitt on the surface, I'm gonna use our wheel and body brush.
Sounds good.
To get to the wheels. We don't have to worry about having a separate dedicated wheel bucket because we've pre-sprayed them, we've rinsed them off. There's no grit remaining. It's just road grime.
Fantastic. We're just gonna get that off with the body brush and the Cyclone wash mitt. Let's get down to it.
So how's that feeling for you, Josh?
Feels great. The slickness on it, it keeps its suds.
Now, do you like the smell of grapes?
I do like the smell of grapes any time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, when you're doing Ivan's car.
For things like the grill, we can use the brush again. Make sure we get everything on the grill and inside the grill cleaned.
Oh man, this smells really good.
Looks like you've done this sometimes before.
I don't know. I'm a newbie at this.
Good form, good technique, going from the top down. No pressure on your wash sponge. You're good. A nice flip there. So Josh, now when you rinse it off, since we've done the contact wash, now you're gonna get that beading you're looking for.
All right, I can't wait to see it. I see the beading, it's back. And it's sheeting off really fast too. It's beading off really fast. And the smell still smells really good. Smell of grapes. Boom.
So it's rinsed off.
All right.
We're not ready to dry it yet.
No.
Never dry a car with just water on it.
Right.
Water is not your friend. Water is not a lubricant. Water is a solvent.
Yep.
So, what do you want to use? Quick beads or ceramic gloss?
I think we're going to be using quick beads for this one. We got to try something new. And I hear it's easy to use as well.
Right. So quick beads, very easy to use.
Yeah.
A little bit on the surface. Give it 30 seconds to 2 minutes to dwell. If you're not in a controlled environment, sooner is better. If you're in a controlled environment like we are, then not a problem. Light mist on the surface. So never forget to do the wheels. because it'll make cleaning them much easier the next time. So we just put a little bit on the surface.
Protecting it from all the brake dust, protecting it from all the grime, dirt.
Exactly.
Awesome.
And then once it's over the full surface, we don't rinse it off. We activate it with the pressure washer. So you want to rinse or activate it from the bottom up.
Right,
Off you
so
go.
the reason why we're doing from bottom up?
Right, if you go from the top down, you're going to be rinsing it off. If you're going from the bottom up, you're forcing it, you're moving it onto the surface.
Okay.
And you don't need a pressure washer. You can do this with a garden hose as well.
Oh, wow.
But pressure washer is fine, does the job from the bottom up, and you'll see sort of a frothy look to it.
Oh, nice.
You want to keep rinsing until that froth is gone.
Okay, you got it.
Off you go.
Let's start with the wheels.
Start with the back.
Let's start here.
So you want to try to push it up with the stream from the pressure washer.
Right.
So start, so down here and aim up.
Oh, we're aiming up.
Yeah.
We're aiming up, okay. How's that, Ivan?
Spectacular.
Awesome.
Now that we have the quick beads on the surface, we simply need to dry it.
All right, and we got the tool for that.
Yes, we do.
Hey, so Ivan, what do I have here with me right now?
You have our drying blanket. It's an extra large drying blanket with a really, really tight twist loop.
Oh.
So twist loop like you know, but very different in feel, as you can see.
Yeah, because most twist loops are kind of fluffy. The fibers
Yeah.
stick out more.
Right. So this is very, very tight twist loop.
Nice.
Multiple layers. So a couple towels sewn together, edgeless.
All right.
Give it a try.
Let's do it. We're gonna throw the blanket on the hood here.
Yeah.
Let's go this way. That, I'm amazed.
No streaks.
No streaks. And I didn't even have to put pressure. I just glided the towel in,
Yeah.
and that was it.
You know, windows are notoriously streaky, right?
Oh yeah, let's give that a shot. All right, watch and learn, folks. Let's check this out. All right. I am blown away. What?
Yeah, it's perfectly dry.
I'm getting myself this towel.
want to apply quick beads, but it's sunny out, it's windy, whatever. You don't have time to let it dwell. Use your pressure washer and the quick beads in one fell swoop. And then you keep rinsing until that little foaming is gone. Your quick beads is applied. Josh, what do you think of washing a Fiat?
At first, I had a blast washing the Fiat. It's always been my dream. Using the products was next level.
Right.
The quality, the experience, the scents that you got.
Yeah.
And they were all very functional. They all had a purpose. It was very straightforward to use. And overall, I loved it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Appreciate it, Ivan. Thank you.
And we appreciate you subscribing, hitting that notification bell, maybe even a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them below. We're always happy to answer.
Don't forget to visit TOCSupplies.ca. Peace.